Well, after about 10 and a half months working on my remodeling, I have finally got the kitchen all remodeled. I did bring in one old appliance, which is my little chest freezer there. Got a new refrigerator, a new pantry, some new cupboards all the way around. One of the things I do love about this pantry is these shelves that pull out. The really nice feature makes it a lot easier to find what's in those cupboards. Got a pretty nice big freezer, fridge and freezer, soft close doors. I've got a lot more cabinet space and counter space than I had before. Went with all new black appliances, including their microwave range hood, stove, gas stove, and a built-in dishwasher. Also, painted the hallway here, then worked on the bathroom downstairs. Could have put in some wainscoting. A new pantry and vanity, a mirror, lights, a new toilet, some more of my artwork, and from the past I redid the shower. You can see the nice tile work in here. Then in the 10 months while I was here, I skipped doing a laundry room here. That's on my project list of things to do yet. But I did the brand new 3/4 inch solid hickory flooring, wainscoting, and painted going up the stairs. I do like the little white riser on there. I love the hickory treads. Coming upstairs, I repainted the walls. Got some new windows. Hung a new door. I do have to finish that yet to try to get to match the hickory a little bit better. Some more of my artwork. Another new window. A third new window. Some more artwork of mine. All these pictures I do have available on my website in case you're wondering. That's one of my favorite pictures I've taken recently and printed. That's Esh Road, the beach there at the end. One last quick look through the master bedroom here. Still have a little touch up to do, a few last minute things. I'm gonna remount the TV. I don't like how it's sitting there. There's me. Bathroom. Artwork. That's gonna go up on the wall there above the towel bar. A new vanity, mirror, light kit, toilet, towel bar, toilet paper bar, and more of my artwork, as well as new shower curtains, shower curtain rod. Really like how this little sitting area is looking. I'm not quite sure how it's going to be arranged. I still got a little bit of work to do to finish up the room. And until I get that done, I'm still going to probably play around with the furniture a little bit. And then going down the stairs, and out into my messy laundry room. Like I said, there's still a work in progress. And out into the kitchen. Hope you like this quick tour. It's been a lot of work. I'm really proud of how it's turned out. And I really like how much more counter space I've picked up in the kitchen.